The earth beneath our feet holds secrets spanning billions of years, and today we're uncovering how India's oldest rocks predate any known life on the planet. That's right. We're talking about geological formations older than life itself.
That's quite an opening. How do scientists even begin to study something from that far back in time?
Well, believe it or not, they use this incredible system of studying rock layers and relationships called the Dharwar system. These ancient formations contain volcanic deposits and sediments from Earth's earliest days, and get this, they're still affecting life in India today through massive mineral deposits.
So these prehistoric processes created resources we're still using?
Exactly. The famous Kolar gold fields, all from these ancient Dharwar beds. And we're not just talking gold. There's major deposits of manganese, iron, and copper. But here's what really blows my mind. There's this period called the Great Eparchaean Interval. That's longer than all recorded life on Earth up to now.
You know, that's really making me think about the scale of geological time in a new way. What other major events shaped India's formation?
Oh, this is where it gets really interesting. India was once part of this massive supercontinent called Gondwanaland. Picture this enormous landmass stretching from South America to Antarctica to Australia, with India right in the middle, connected to Madagascar and Africa.
So how did India end up where it is now?
Well, it may sound fancy. Through this incredible process of continental drift, and during this journey, something spectacular happened. The Deccan Traps. We're talking about one of the largest volcanic events in Earth's history, covering an area larger than Texas, with lava flows. You can still see the evidence today across central India.
That must have completely transformed the landscape.
Oh, absolutely. And you know what's even more fascinating? The formation of the Himalayas is still happening right now. These mountains have been pushing upward for about 6 to 7 million years, which sounds like a long time until you compare it to those ancient Dharwar rocks we talked about earlier.
So in a way, we're actually watching geological history unfold in real time?
Exactly. And here's something that'll really make you think. Those perfectly straight coastlines along western India. They're actually the result of massive breaks in the Earth's crust when India separated from Madagascar. It's like looking at the edge of a giant jigsaw puzzle piece.
That's fascinating how these ancient processes are still visible in modern geography.
And get this, scientists are still making new discoveries. Like they recently found Carboniferous marine fossils in central India that completely changed our understanding of how far ancient seas extended into the peninsula. It's like every new discovery rewrites another chapter of Earth's history.
Well, that really puts our human timeline in perspective, doesn't it?
It sure does. And you know what's really incredible? These geological processes created natural barriers and corridors that have influenced human migration patterns for thousands of years. The Indo-Gangetic Plain, formed by material eroded from the Himalayas, became one of the world's most fertile regions precisely because of these ancient processes.
So these prehistoric events are still shaping our civilization today?
That's right. We're literally living through geological changes right now. The Indian plate is still moving northward at about 5 centimeters per year. The Himalayas are still rising, and rivers are still carving new paths. We're just another chapter in this incredibly long story of Earth's history.
Looking ahead, what do you think this means for future generations?
Well, understanding these processes is crucial for everything from resource management to urban planning. These geological forces will continue shaping our world long after we're gone, just as they were shaping it long before we arrived. It really puts our role as temporary custodians of this planet into perspective, doesn't it?